Welcome everyone! Today we are going to be making menudo. This is a very traditional Filipino recipe. If you're ready, let's get started. To begin, we will be adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce to the meat to marinate it. We will then add black peppercorns that we've crushed. Add a generous pinch of salt. Next, we will be chopping the potatoes. Cut the bell pepper into medium to thick cuts. If you have carrots, you will need to dice them. Chop your onions. Dice the tomatoes. Since these tomatoes that we are using today are small, you just slice them in half. After prepping the ingredients, you can then add water to the meat. Turn on the fire to medium heat and cover it to let it simmer. Heat up the pan with oil. We will be frying the potatoes. If you have carrots, you will fry them separately during this step. Once it's golden brown like so, your potatoes are done. Stir the meat to make sure it doesn't stick. Sauté the onion. Add bay leaf. Once the onion becomes translucent, you can add your crushed or minced garlic. Add the Annato or atsuete powder to make the dish look red. Add crushed peppercorns. Add the tomatoes. Add in the bell peppers. Add the meat and stir fry with the veggies. At this point, we are ready to add our fried potatoes and carrots if you have them. Add in the sauce that the meat was simmered in, then add additional warm water for the sauce. A bit of calamansi juice is needed for the distinct, slightly sour flavor of menudo. Cover and allow to simmer for 10 to 20 minutes depending on the meat quality. Taste it. Yummy! If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up.